Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Outlook Classic and confirming your mailbox is fully synced. This avoids missing items. Next, you decide what to archive, a folder, a date cutoff, or everything older than 1 year, and note or back up the PSD path so you can restore if needed. Once done, go to the File menu and choose Tools or Cleanup Tools. Make sure to select Archive rather than Auto Archive so you control settings and destination. You now pick the exact folders and the cutoff date for archived items. In the Archive dialog, choose the folder, enable Include subfolders when needed, and set the archive items older than date to match your retention policy. Then click Browse to select or create the target PSD file, make sure there's ample disk space, and that the path is accessible. Once you confirm settings, press OK to begin archiving. Outlook will move items to the PSD. When archiving completes, you open the newly created PSD from File, then open Outlook Data File and inspect folders to confirm messages are present. Make sure search works and spot check several message dates so you know the correct items moved. If something went wrong, first check Auto Archive settings and your chosen date, then run Scan PSD on the PSD file to repair corruption. Finally, if you still have gaps, restore from the backup you made and repeat the process with adjusted settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.